bulletproof protective helmet, hearing and respiratory protection, and eye protection with side protection. Wearing protective gloves, boots with a steel toe and non-slip sole, high-visibility clothing or vest, as well as close-fitting clothing that has long sleeves and long legs. Before operating the machine, read your owner and operator manuals carefully. Then, perform the following pre-operation procedures. Perform the daily maintenance procedural checks as outlined in your operator manual. Make line marks for all cuts and prepare the operation sequence carefully to prevent injury and damage. Adjust the operation handles to an applicable operation position. Lower the adjustable pointer and make sure that it aligns with the rear pointer, the cutting blade, and the line mark on the surface. To engage the clutch, press the button next to the blade clutch symbol. Once the clutch is engaged, the clutch icon will turn orange. Note, the clutch must be engaged while the engine is at idle. Otherwise, you might damage the clutch. Step cutting is the standard process for achieving the desired depth of cut. This is achieved by maximizing the performance of the machine through multiple passes in the same cut. In a common 8 to 12 inch depth of cut, this is achieved through the following. First pass, 3 to 4 inches. Second pass, 4 to 8 inches. Third pass, 8 to 12 inches. It is crucial to utilize the step cutting technique. If the blade is forced into a deep cut, the blade can overheat. The machine loses torque and horsepower. The cut becomes more difficult to keep straight, and the wear and tear on the machine increases. Note, only use the emergency shut-off button in the event of an emergency. Using the e-stop frequently can damage the saw. Be careful during transportation. The product is heavy and can cause injury or damage if it falls or moves during transportation. To safely transport the saw, attach a strap to both the front and back tie-down brackets. Then attach bulk straps to the transport vehicle. Make sure to remove the blade, and remember to avoid parking the machine on a slope because it does not have a parking brake. When determining the proper flat saw to use for any given job, you must consider the type of material being cut as well as the distance and depth of cut needed. Common accessories needed to operate a flat saw include blades, garden hoses, a water supply, and a water trailer. Contact your local Herc rentals to rent flat saws or for more information.